How to make a portfolio website on Wix. Hello everyone, I'm Jason and I'll be showing you how to make a portfolio website for free using Wix. What is a portfolio website and why it is important? A portfolio website is basically your online resume. Meaning, for example, if you are a thumbnail designer, or it doesn't matter if you're a freelancer or you're a company, it is good to have a portfolio website, as on there you'll be able to post your previous work, so any potential client or customer will be able to visit your website and see your past jobs. So this will enable you to build trust with your new customers, as they know that you'll be able to deliver good quality. And to create a portfolio website on Wix, all you'll need is your email address. You will need to go onto wix.com. Then from there you are going to sign up with your email address and you can get started for completely free. After you have done that, you are going to tap on create new site in the top right hand corner. After tapping on create new site, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can simply tap on portfolio. Then after doing that, you will see numerous options you can choose from, as it all depends on the field you are in. So if you like to create a digital media portfolio, you could do that. If you want a writing portfolio, you can also do that. And if you are in the fashion field, you could select fashion portfolio. But for this example, I'll just select a general portfolio. Then I'll tap on continue. After you have selected continue, you will be redirected to this page, on which you'll see numerous templates you can choose from. And the template I will be using for this example will be this one. So it will be the photographer template. After you have done that, you have the option on the left hand corner to change the color, or better yet pick the color of your website theme. So from here you can select the default color that you would like your theme to have. Once you have done that, you are going to tap on save and continue. After selecting save and continue, from here, these are the options of the apps that you can add. So let's say, for example, you not only want to have a portfolio website, but you also want to have an online store. You could select stores right here and you'll be able to sell items. Also, if you are planning to collect any form of payments, for example, booking or so on, you could select forms and payments. And if you want to add your Instagram feed, you could add your Instagram feed. And for example, as a photographer, I would select booking. So persons will be able to book me for when they would like me to do a photograph or so on. And you can also scroll down and you could select pricing plan if you want. Or if you are selling an online course, you could select online program. You can select any one of these apps. Once you are finished, you are going to tap on go to dashboard. So you are going to select go to dashboard. And this is your Wix dashboard. And from here you could tap on add project. After tapping on add project, you will be redirected to this page. So as I said, let's say you're a thumbnail designer or a photographer, you could simply tap right where you see new project in the top right hand corner. And after tapping on new project, from here you could enter the title. After entering the title, you are going to tap on next. Then you could enter the description. After you have entered the description, you could tap on next. Then from here you can enter the project type. So let's say it is a portrait, you would simply type in portrait. Then you are going to type in the date that you did it, and you can also select the location. After you have done that, you could select upload media from computer, and you will be able to upload the media or the work that you had done in the past. Then you'll tap on done, and that's it. After you have done that, you can add more projects, so more example of jobs that you have done, and you will see the jobs listed right here. As you can see at the moment, this is a preloaded pic that came on the Wix, and you can see right here, this is an example. So you can see the cover photo and you can see the different photos that were taken in this example. And by scrolling up, you can see they also listed the client. And so, for example, you could list the client as working with certain brands or so on. Will not only build up your credibility, but it will also draw in customers. So you can definitely add the client that you have worked with in the past. And if you want, you can add the location and so on. And you can see an example of how it should look. And once you're finished doing all of this and adding the previous jobs that you have done, what you're going to do next, you're going to go back and you're going to tap on home. After selecting home, if you would like to set up booking services, you can do that by tapping on booking services in the bottom left hand corner. And from here you could organize your calendar, or if you want to select a free online course right here and you set up your price estimate, or you want to scroll down and you want to select call, you can select any one of these options and you can do your booking services. And you can also see your booking calendar right here, which you can set up, and you can also integrate other calendars. But for this example, we are just going to go back on home. Once on home, I want you to tap on design site in the top right hand corner. And this is going to carry you to your website. And from here, you'll be able to edit how your website looks. This is how it looks at the moment. And I want you to observe the left hand menu options. You can see add elements. If you were to tap on add elements, from here you will be able to add images, buttons if you want. Let's say, for example, you want to add a text and button, you can do that. And also if you would like to set up PayPal and add a PayPal button, you can also do that. You can add video, you can basically add anything to your website by tapping on the plus in the top left hand corner, and from there you can select an option. Also, if you would like to add a new page or edit a page, all you have to do is tap on the third option from the top, that is pages and menu, and from here you will be able to add a page if you want. So you can add a new page and you can also edit the current pages, as you can see right there. And also if you would like to add apps, you can simply tap on add app. After you have tapped on add app, you will be redirected to the Wix app store, and from here you can integrate any app you want. So for example, if you would like to do some form of online selling, for example drop shipping or so on, you can do that, and there are numerous other apps you can use on Wix for free. And when it comes on to editing your website at the moment, any section that you would like to change, all you have to do is hover over the section with your mouse. Then you will see the option quick edit, and you can tap on that. After tapping on it, you'll be able to edit that particular section. So as you can see right here, I'm now editing the header section of my website. So I could scroll down and I can change the site background. I can also change the text. So if I wanted to change the text right here, all I had to do was tap on the text. Then let's say, for example, I want to put in simple answers. I can put in simple answers, as you can see right here. It is as easy as that to edit a website on Wix. And once you're finished, you'll simply scroll down, and from there, if you would like to add Instagram or so on, you can also do that. Let me show you how to add your social media, by the way. And if you would like to change anything, as I said, any section, all you have to do is tap on the section that you want to change, and from there you'll be able to change it, or you could tap on add section to add a section if you want. The next thing you're going to do is go back into settings. So you're going to hover over settings at the top left hand corner. Then from there, if you would like to add social media, right where you see social share, you could tap on that, or you could select business info right here, and you'll be able to add your information, for example your business address and so on. And also if you would like to add a Firecon, you can also do that. There are numerous options and edited options when it comes on to Wix. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. After you're finished doing your editing, all you'll have to do is tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and that's it.